ओके, कोई नहीं। मैं चाहूँगा कि जितने भी क्वेश्चन हैं सर उसका आंसर दें। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट शुड बी द हिस्ट्री ऑफ एन यूपीएससी एस्पिरेंट?
UPSC aspirant should always be a mystery.
And second question है, how UPSC aspirant can avoid himself from all social distraction?
Ambition is very magnetic. There is no need to avoid. All those who are ambitious, society doesn't come closer to them because of their gravity and magnetic field. You don't avoid. There is no need to avoid anyone. Because once you are hypermagnetic, no one will come closer to you. People come closer to you only when they know that you are not a pulsar. Pulsar means forming star. So there is nothing to avoid. You develop so much gravity in yourself that people should avoid you.
And third question है, how anyone can become like you?
No, every human being is the outcome of his or her circumstances. Akbar is the outcome of his circumstances. Aurangzeb is the outcome of his circumstances. So there is no possibility of copying anyone. Whatever you are, you have always the possibility of going to the highest level of your achievement. So Buddha is Buddha, he is also at the highest place. Mahavira is Mahavira, Jesus is Jesus. No one imitated each other. When you imitate, you become a carbon copy, which has no value.
And fourth question, how much have you been able to learn from your student?
Now I always learn from my students, and there are no students for mine because a coach always has friends. It's a coaching. It's not a college or university. So we all are friends, and interaction in a good. That is why in the beginning of the class I said to the class that this class is like a parliament. Because my motive was that you should not come with a fear in the class. That teacher will scold me or teacher will say anything to me. So that if you are getting questions and you are asking those questions to me, then that will be beneficial for me. Every year, minimum 50 new questions I get from the class. So it's a learning from both the sides. Some things you learn, which I have learned from my experience, and some things you give me as a perspective from your side.
And the fifth one is, how do we carry forray to the means of world history?
How do we?
Carry forray means cheating.
There is no need to carry further because one formula I have given you. The modern world history is basically a story of transformation from old order to new order. What is the cause of transformation? Main cause. Capitalism and industrial revolution. This you write on the top. Okay, these are the two factors which are responsible for the birth of the modern world. Now, this led to the birth of a new order. What is that new order? Constitution and parliament. This you write as the second point. First point, capitalism and industrial revolution. This is the first pillar. Second point is parliament and constitution. This is the second pillar. Third pillar is modern education, which we discussed when I was discussing Japan. So now when you see all these three things, you see Europe, evolved form of these three things. You see Central and West Asia, they are missing these three things. So there is no need to carry farre. It's not required because the outline is in your mind. Now for example, if they ask decolonization, if they ask this question to you, decolonization, and you have not read decolonization, you have not prepared it. I am taking the present situation. You have not read a single line of decolonization. Then also you can write decolonization. First reason, Western ideas. Wherever Western people occupied, they came there with their ideas. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar, they are under the impact of what? Western ideas. Second point which you can, now this is not to mug up. Second thing which you have to mug up, the rise of national movement in different countries. Germany was born as a nation, Italy was born as a nation. So this birth of a nation inspired all other people. If we want to become strong, we can also turn into a nation. So you'll see birth of national movement in different countries. India is one of them. Second is national movement. Third feature of decolonization is Second World War. End of the old order. End of the old masters. End of European supremacy. Entire world was occupied by whom? Europe. So when European supremacy came to an end, but natural, their empire will come to an end. And fourth point is, what? When the old masters are gone, the old servants will also be gone. So you will see the independence of Asian countries, African countries, South American countries. This is what you call conceptual writing. No need, sir. UPSC simply wants how much you understand and that presentation of that understanding. Finish.
इस क्वेश्चन के पहले सर से मैं सॉरी बोलना चाहूँगा. How many times have you fallen in love?
Every moment I fall in love. There is nothing to fall in it. When you fall, you don't understand it. You always rise in love. You fall in lust. Anyone who has given this statement, possibly he was not able to understand it. You fall in lust. When you become the victim of lust, then you fall. You beg because of lust. You cry because of lust. You run behind the person because of... You never run behind your mother. That is love. Where there is love, there is no running behind, there is no crying. You always rise in love. So every moment I fall in love.
एंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन मैं कुछ देर बाद पूछता हूँ. मैं कुछ लाइनें बोलना चाहता हूँ बीच में. ये मेरे लिए और आप सबके लिए है कि तोड़ना है हर पिंजरा, मेरी उड़ान अभी बाकी है. तोड़ना है हर पिंजरा, मेरी उड़ान अभी बाकी है. मंजिलें जमी भर नहीं, आसमान अभी बाकी है. लहरों का थमना नहीं, समंदर की बेबसी है. लहरों का थमना नहीं, समंदर की बेबसी है. बाहर खामोशी सही, भीतर अभी कई तूफान बाकी हैं. सर के बारे में खूबसूरत से एक पल का किस्सा बन जाता है. खूबसूरत से एक पल का किस्सा बन जाता है. जाने कब कौन जिंदगी का हिस्सा बन जाता है. कुछ खास लोग मिलते हैं जिंदगी में, कुछ खास लोग मिलते हैं जिंदगी में, जिनसे कभी न बिछड़ने वाला रिश्ता बन जाता है. एंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट आर द वे फॉरवर्ड फॉर अस?
लास्ट है ना? हाँ, बताओ. The real farewell for a UPSC teacher is when you qualify and then you invite. That becomes the real farewell. First. So it is the beginning. It is not the end. It is the beginning. Now, whenever I talked about liquor in the class, very good. That was very good. Thank you. But I always talked about liquor. Reason is, if I would have talked about meditation, you would have slept in the class. See, whenever you want to bring any person on your track, you have to speak in the language which the person understands. Liquor has a very important role. Very important. You all must be suffering from it. Your subconscious. You wrote mind also. Possibly this gentleman wrote, I talk about mind and sex.